Hello children, good day to you all. Today we are going to learn our new chapter in EVS. That is, already we have learned about so many lessons. In this lesson, we learn about what is that? Food we eat. What is that? Food we eat. So, we have different kinds of food. Let us see what is the. Yes, here is our lesson. We have been started. Right. Yes, our EVS chapter name is Food That We Eat. We eat different kinds of foods, right? We have plenty of foods like vegetables and non-vegetables, fruits, everything. So, what kind of food we take? Before going to know about what kinds of food we eat, we have here why we need to take food. We take food to get energy, as well as we it helps us to grow strong, right? If we don't take food, what happens? We feel very sick, right? And taking good and healthy food makes us healthy too. And taking nutrition, lot of nutrition will help us to grow full of strength. Okay, so here, what kinds of food we eat regularly? And we have different kinds of foods, right? And in that, our favorite foods also there to take, right? I have my own favorite foods. You too have your favorite foods, right? Okay, here we see what kind of foods we eat. Vegetables, almost all, everyone will eat vegetables like what? Brinjal, carrot, tomato, lady's finger, beans, all these kinds of things will come under vegetables. So we also include the leafy vegetables like spinach and other leafy vegetables, right? So fenugreek and all those things. So vegetables, in that we take raw vegetables as well as the cooked vegetables, and like leafy vegetables also. Yes, and fruits. Fruits. What kind of fruits we take? Apple, banana, and some cherries and potato. Sorry, potato is vegetable. Sapota. All these kinds of foods we will use as fruits. So you almost all know about vegetables, leafy vegetables, and now fruits. Next one is milk. Milk. We get milk from cow. Okay, so we take nowadays powdered milks also available in supermarkets, but we used to take milk also as our daily food items. And chicken. Chicken comes from hen, that is from animals. Okay, we used to take chicken also, right? And mutton. Mutton is also from animals like goat, buffalo, sheep, all those things. We can get the mutton. And fish. Fish is a seafood, so we can get fish also as our food. Prawns. Prawns is also one kind of seafood where we can get such kind of foods from sea. So these kinds of foods we used to take regularly. That is one more time. Shall we read? Vegetables, leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, chicken, mutton, fish, and prawns. So such kinds of food we used to take as our routine diet. Okay, here we have types of foods. Two types of foods we have. One is vegetarian and next one is non-vegetarian. The persons who will take vegetables, fruits, all these things will come under vegetarian food. Non-vegetarian means like chicken, mutton, fish, all these things, who consumes it as their food items, they are called as non-vegetarians. So vegetarians will come under fish, fruits, vegetables, cheese, honey, like these things will come under vegetables. Okay, and vegetarian, where we get all these vegetarian foods? We get vegetarian food from plants. The plants like lemon tree, coconut tree, all the brinjal, cabbage, carrot, radish, tomato, chilies, all all these things will get from plants, right? So if we have the plants, we can get more vegetarian foods from that. Okay, so plants are the reason to get the vegetarian food for us. And next, some vegetarian foods like milk, honey, eggs are from animals. Though we are getting milk from where? Cow. And honey from honeybees. And eggs from hen. But these all are considered as vegetarian food. So you can take it as vegetarian diet itself. Okay. And the non-vegetarian foods are from animals. Animals like, already I said that, goat, sheep, fish, buffalo, prawns, hen, all these kinds of food will comes from the animals. And these kinds of food, we call it as non-vegetarian food. So you are clear about vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods? But because vegetarian will come under vegetables and fruits, whereas non-vegetarian come under chicken, mutton, all those things that are from plants, and these non-vegetarian are from animals. Okay, right. And non-vegetarian, some of the examples are here for you, that is which comes under non-vegetarian. Mutton, already you know, goat, sheep, buffaloes, mutton. And fresh chicken, chicken is from hen. Fish, fish and prawns, as I said, it's a seafood we are getting from sea. Crabs, crabs also a kind of seafood. Eggs, eggs is from hen. Hen will eggs will come under both the things, like vegetarian as well as the non-veg. And it's exotic, and next one is dry fish. These all comes under the non-vegetarian things. And you already know the vegetable items. Here are some example for you, like vegetarian foods. Okay, what kinds of food we should not eat? We all are crazy about junk foods, right? But it's not good for your health. So please avoid, children. Okay, please avoid. Take good and healthy, nutritious food so that you can get more energy and you can play more, right? So don't take these kinds of junk foods. Avoid it seriously. Okay. Next. And healthy children are here. So what they are showing, you see, they are showing some kind of cabbage, cherries, carrots, cucumbers, all those things. So they will not feel sick at any time. Why? Because they are under protective foods, not as the junk foods always causes disease. But here the children are taking good and healthy food like vegetarian and non-veg too. So they will not undergo with any kinds of disease. We can avoid disease by taking healthy and good food. So change your diet. Don't go for junk foods. Eat good and healthy food. Okay. Right. Here some points are there for you to remember. Remember what we have thought. Food gives us what? Energy and helps us to dash, grow. Yes, food gives us energy and helps to grow. And we get food from plants and animals. And okay, good food protects us from diseases. So by avoiding junk foods, we can get good health. If you take junk foods, you will be under ill or sick. You will feel sick. Fruits, vegetables, and milk products like curd, buttermilk, butter, yogurt, or all under vegetarian foods. So children, enjoyed the food we eat lesson. Okay, then see you in the next class. Bye-bye.